celebration of Republic Day. Today I am Anjali and my co-partners got the golden opportunity to represent you all our science project named as Auto-Driven Robot. The further necessary information will be shared by my co-partners. Thank you.
My name is Akriti Kumari and I would like to tell you about the materials required for our project. The materials of our project has been divided into 3 categories: electronic component, mechanical component and other miscellaneous parts. First one is electronic component, which includes integrated circuit LM393, which is used for single voltage supply ranges from 2 VDC towards 36 VDC. Next is integrated socket with 8 pins, which is used as a spacer. Then we have electrolytic capacitor 100 UF, which is used to store electrical energy. Next is adjustable resistance 10K, which is used to control current flow and voltage level. Now we have coloring resistance, which is used to indicate its resistance value and tolerance with its colored band. Next is photoresistor CDS5, which is used to change its resistance based on the intensity of light. Next one is triode A550, which is used for amplification and switching applications. Its ability is to control a large current with a smaller input current. Now the last one is self-locking switch, which is used to keep a device in a specific state on or off without having to continuously pressing the switch. Now the second one is mechanical component, which includes DC motor, wheel, axle, gasket, T-bushing, gear and screw. Now the last one is other miscellaneous part, which includes circuit board, connecting wires, plastic bottom, battery box, cardboard, chart paper, thermocol, colorful paper and ice cream stick. Now my co-partner will explain you the assembling part of our project.
I am Tanish and now I would like to explain the assembling part of our project. As my co-partner already told you about all the components, so now we just assemble them according to the presented circuit diagram. Basically, all the components of our project are divided into 2 manners. First one, the components which doesn't have positive and negative terminal, so we can assemble them without any botheration of positive and negative sequence. These group will only include LDR and resistance. Second one, the group in which positive and negative terminal play a very important role, hence we have to assemble them in a particular sequence. This group includes PCB, capacitor, resistor, etc. In capacitor, the white strip represents the negative terminal and its opposite side represents the positive terminal. In LED, the smooth part represents the negative terminal and the rough part represents the positive terminal. In motor, the side which has the dot on it represents the positive terminal and its opposite side represents the negative terminal. Overall, all the components of this list have some features which help us to identify their positive and negative terminal. Now my co-partner will tell you more about our project.
Myself, Sanjay Prasad. Further, I would like to explain you all about the working principle of our model. The idea present nearby the LED will sense the reflecting and the non-reflecting surfaces. As we all know that the black color is the natural absorber of light and the white color is the natural reflector of light. Our board is also arranged in 2 colors. First one is white and the other one is black. After turning on the robot,
next project windmill 6B तैयार रहेंगे.
The reflecting surface and will command the 2 motors to move in the opposite direction of the reflecting surface. Due to this, our motor will get in motion and will act as an auto-driven robot. Now the conclusion is over to my co-partner. My name is Shreya. Now in conclusion, this project showcases not just the wonders of science and tech, but also its potential to transform our world. This project reflects the spirit of collaboration and the power of science to unite us. Together we can tackle challenges and create innovations that inspire change. As Carl Sagan said, somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Thank you so much for your time and interest in our project.
So एक बार जोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए जो तमाम बच्चे थे जिन्होंने अभी जो प्रोजेक्ट था वो बहुत ऑटो ड्राइवन रोबोट 9th के बच्चे थे. इनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए. Come on everybody. So the next project